Hi, I'm Dennis, and in this video, I'm going to cover why you shouldn't wait to become a data scientist. Welcome back. Now that I'm putting out more content, I get to hear from people from all around the world. And that's great. I love that. I love hearing from other data scientists, and I love hearing from people from different countries and different cultures. In that process, I've noticed a couple of recurring themes. And one of those recurring themes is about how do I become a data scientist? Or sometimes people will tell me, I just graduated school, how do I get my first job as a data scientist? Or in other cases, it's also people who have been looking for a data scientist job, but haven't found much success in landing interviews or landing the role that they want. In many ways, this gives me the impression that people are essentially waiting to be appointed as a data scientist. People are waiting to be given the title of data scientist. Well, I have some bad news and I have some good news for you. The bad news is that no one is really going to come along and tap you with a magic wand and say, you are now a data scientist. That simply doesn't exist. It's not listening to me, it's not more YouTube tutorials, you're not going to find that in a certification. The good news, however, is that if you want to be a data scientist, you can do the work on your own.